So guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can model this TV console. I'm going to be fast so that you learn how possible you can model this very quick. So let me take it to the side, and this is my origin. Let me pick my wall. I'll start with the wall too. Okay, so I'll kind of set the wall. Okay, let me leave it set 150 millimeter. Then I'm going to change this color, click all these, and I'm just going to use gray, light gray, and check all of them to link all of them to be gray, which is all the edge. So I'm going to draw my wall. I don't have any specific dimension I'm working with. I just want to work with this wall. Well, let me just, you can see when I click one of the wall, it's click the rest of it. So I'm going to suspend group so that I can just click this one. So let me say I'm working with a meter, with a space of 3 meter or 3.6 meter, which is 3600 millimeter. And I'm obviously going to break this around here. Hold control, then you can easily trim off by holding control and clicking on them. So this is going to be the way I'm going to design the TV console. And then let me take the picture closer. So the first thing I want to do is let me first of all try and get this particular area. So I'm going to make use of my slab tool. No, this is my wall tool. I just click. So my slab tool. Let me first of all get the floor. Let me say 450 for the floor. Okay, let me change this to let me change the upper part to a tile material, the side part to maybe the same wall color. Then at the end of the day, I click on OK. So I will just by selecting this option, I can just easily So let's see what I've done on 3D. So this is it, and this is the wall I want to work on. So let me go back to my floor plan and let me try and get this. You can see it's on the floor. So I will just assume maybe a spacing of 600. Then I take it out, maybe 350. So let me go. You can see it here. So I will just take it up. Then I will come down and pick this up, drag it up. So I think let me use 45 as the thickness of the wood, or let me work with 30. Let's see the picture. We don't have a dimension. Let's stick to that 30. Let's stick to that 30. I can easily come and pick up this is my elevation line. Let me take it to that. I can still go on elevation and see whatever I'm doing. Yeah, this is it. So let me change the material to a wood material. Let me pick this wood material. So that is it, and how many do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see here is black, but don't worry, let me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me take it up. Then let me give it a distance of maybe 600 millimeter. I think that is or let me take it by 150 down. And you can see this one is let me take this picture instead of coming back to the ground floor. Let me take it, copy it, take it to my south elevation. Let me check that. Let me paste it. Paste. So come this way. Let me take it to this right side. You can see this one is not as thick as the I think they are the same. Let's just leave it that way. They are the same, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we've only placed 1. So let me drag multiple copy. I'm going to pick it from this point to I've made a mistake. Okay, let me do it again. One. Remember, I pick it from here, so I'm placing them same on this upper point. The same thing here. That is, I mean, now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then the upper one. Let's see. Okay, it's almost to the ceiling. I think this is okay. Okay, now this is okay. In case the TV console is not enough, can increase this. So let's see. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is to draw my slab from here to here using the same 30 mm. So I will take it up. Okay, and I will also take this up, and I will just give it the same wooden material. Okay, the same wooden material. Yeah. Okay, yeah, let me give it the same wooden material. Wood material. Okay, let me go to my elevation, then take this to this place. Okay, copy. Okay, we've achieved this particular guy. Then I think this is not up to this point. So okay, I know what to do. Don't worry, I know what to do. Let's leave it the way we've modeled it. So the next thing is to get this particular area. Yeah, so let's go and get it. So I will use my, okay, I think, okay, there's a wood inside, so let me also rotate this. Oh, I'm supposed to rotate it. Don't know. I'm supposed to rotate. Okay, let me take it out. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so let me get this particular wooden area now. So I will just copy this out and bring it to this point. Okay, so I will just drag it. I think I will have to increase this. Should I add like 900? Okay, then increase my floor. So we take it out. Okay, 500. Enter. Okay, you can see the panel end. So yeah, there is a marking here which I'm going to give that spacing for. But let me go back to my graph. I think I need to take this in a little bit by 100. So yeah, I'm just assuming. Then I'm going to change this material because you can see that this material is different from this material. So let me do and change. Let me change the material to this. Okay, darker wood. So I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to give a little spacing of about 5. Okay, let me work with 5. Let's see. I think 5 is okay. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing. Okay, let me go to my elevation. I'm going to do, as you can see, let me do the same thing. Okay, drag a copy. So I'm going to copy it from this point and place it on this point. I still have to increase this. I don't know. Let me not restrict myself. Let me increase it very well. Okay. Hold shift, then you can stretch this out. Okay, using this. Okay, let me still stretch it out. Okay, let me take the floor out. So okay, I think we've achieved. Let me go to my elevation. Okay, let me take this picture out. Okay, so we've achieved 1, 2, 3. So we're gonna do this. So okay, Now I want to do something to at least get this black marking. So what I'm going to do is I will go to the floor plan and do something. Okay, copy this and take it. So I'm going to take it to maybe, okay, it's going to be a little bit bigger somewhere here. Then I recess inside, then I make it black color. I make it a black color. Okay, okay, so I'm going to okay, now I'm going to duplicate this to get all this. So, and it's the same wood material, so it's just what I will copy. But you can see that the spacing is bigger than the ones we usually have. So, but let me put it here and let me take it out by 45. Let me see. Then let me recess this inside and assume this is the fluted design. And let me see. Okay, I still need to okay, let me bring it out a little bit. Let me make it 15. So let me see. Okay, let me reduce this to 35 and see. From a distance, will it be about? Let me take it to 40. Let me add 10. Okay, so let me duplicate and see. Multiple copy, increment. Let me just assume I need like 6 copies. Oh, sorry, 6 copies, not 16. See, so I'm going to pick it from this point, I'll pick it on this point. Okay, so let me see. Okay, that is it. We're getting it. So that is it. Getting it. So we're going to duplicate more of these 6 copies. Although we're supposed to count how many we have there. Let's see. We have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Well, let's keep adding hours. Okay, let's see how many we have now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So we're going to move this, and this. And we're going to take this black to these points. Okay. So that is it. We've achieved at least part of the TV console. So the rest part will be kind of easier. Okay, now let's focus on getting this particular place. Let's see, I'm going to be using the same slab tool. And is it attached to this? Okay, yes, it's attached to this and it's at the same level. So I'm going to take it to this place. Is it to that towards the end? Okay, yes, it's towards this end. So I'm going to take it towards the end, and that's it. So I'm going to adjust the height and oh, let me stretch it higher. Okay, to this particular point and to this point. Let me go to the elevation and see. Okay. It's not that I can't assume the height, but let's just work with our own height. But remember, it's suspended from the ground, which we've done. And the height, okay, let's just work with 450 will be high. Let's just work with 400. 400 is okay. 400 is okay. If we go to our activity and compare, okay, that is okay. That is okay. So I want to achieve something like these guys here. Yeah, this line. So I will have 3 of them. So one thing I would do is I will recess this inside. But first of all, let me look at the wooden material. It's kind of same with this. Yeah, same with this. So I'm going to change the wooden material all sides. Okay, to this. Then mirror. Okay. Yeah. So one thing I will do to achieve those lines like the doors, I'm going to bring this out and then take this. So okay, let me assume this. Okay, this is the center of it. So I'm going to pick it from this center and place it on the center. So let me take this out by 300. Oh, it will be too big. Let me Ctrl Z. Take it out by 150. And then should I just take, okay, let me take it out by 200. Then let me add 50. So the thing is that it does not have to gen. So then at the end of the day, I will just mirror this guy and have this. So if I think it's still too tiny, it did not get to the end, which is supposed to. Okay. I will take this. I'm supposed to increase this particular area 200, right? Okay, I'm going to reduce this by 4. Okay, and also shift this in by 4. So okay, so you see we've gotten the line. So the next thing we are going to achieve is this ceramic panel here. So it's going to be on this, and I'm still going to use my slab tool. Let me see, it is running from like the 1 2 3 4 5 fifth flow, 1 2 3 4 5. So I'm going to take it down to this end. I'm going to give it a thickness of 15 and see. Where is it? Okay, it's on the floor here. Okay, I'm going to increase the height. Maybe I did not work with measurement, so we might have a different. Okay, so I think let me go to the elevation so that I can see more of it. Okay, let me bring it down. Then should I also take it up? I think it's okay that way. Now let me make it thicker. Let me add 15 again. Then I will change the material to a ceramic material. Okay, let me use this. Okay, so that is it. We've molded this. So and then there's something you remember here is made of black color. Black color. So we're going to use morph to achieve that. Okay, we're going to use morph. Let's use this method. So morph, let's bring it out. Make sure your yellow line is changed so that you're sure of you're in a straight line. Okay, yeah. Let's do 30. Okay, let's do 30. 30, yeah. Okay, the same 30. 30. So we're gonna extrude. Okay, using tube. Okay, so I'm going to actually take it to this, and then bring it back to this, and then join it. So over there, I'm going to change the material to a black material. Okay, on this here to a black material. So we've gotten that. Is there anything we need to add? Okay, no. Then this light, in case you want to render, maybe if you're using Lumia and you're adding your light, but some of us want to add our lighting material here, you can just maybe make use of morph. Let me go to my elevation. I'll make use of the same morph around the marble. I'll make it very tiny, as 10. Okay. Okay. Okay, so that is it. So by the time I go to my floor plan, I should be able to get the from here. Yeah, this is where I'm supposed to get it from. So I will drag it straight following the guideline. So by the time I come to my 3D, I can extrude it out. Okay, let me extrude it out by 4. Doesn't have to be thick. It just need to be a material where you take it to your rendering software and you convert the material to a lighting material, either on Lumion or 3D Max. So I will change it to a glass satin, or you can decide to use glass lamp, but I usually use this. Okay, so that is it, and we've successfully created the TV console. And for this, you can equally get the object from SketchUp or anywhere you can get the object and just place on them. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. Thank you.